So today's plant profile is the toad lily, Tricertus. This is a really nice small perennial plant that's very hardy. It likes a nice woodland edge or shade garden type of siting. They're not very big, so you want to put them where you can easily see them near a path or up close in the garden. You can see, compared to my hand, not very big at all. They do well as a companion plant with other shade-loving plants. This plant is kind of getting crowded out by some Japanese forest grass and my hardy Chinese ground orchids, but I think it's going to do all right. So they bloom for about 3 or 4 weeks in the fall, late summer, early fall, and my plant has a few more flowers coming up on this stem that have not opened yet. You can see another one kind of hiding over here that just opened. So they'll bloom about 3 or 4 weeks up until frost, and then they'll be done for the season. But they come up in the spring with everything else and kind of hang out with kind of a medium green leaf, and then they wait to the end of summer when everything else is kind of tired and not doing very much to bloom. So a really cool plant that I highly recommend, toad lily. You can get those at garden centers more often these days. It's becoming pretty popular. So, as always, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.